Understanding errors in coding.
When writing software, two major error types can stop your programs: syntax errors and runtime errors. Recognizing their differences is essential for fixing bugs efficiently and learning to code with confidence. Let's explore what sets them apart and why catching each type matters.
What are syntax errors?
Syntax errors happen when the code breaks the rules of the programming language. These errors are usually caught right away by the compiler or interpreter and prevent your code from running. Common causes include missing punctuation, misspelled keywords, or incorrect structure. Fixing syntax errors is often the first step toward getting a program to work.
What are runtime errors?
Runtime errors occur after your code has successfully compiled and started running. These errors often result from unexpected situations, like dividing by zero or trying to access a missing file. Unlike syntax errors, runtime errors may show up only under certain conditions, so thorough testing is important to catch them.
How syntax and runtime errors affect you.
Understanding these errors helps you debug more quickly. Syntax errors are usually straightforward. Your program won't run until they're fixed. Runtime errors are more subtle, sometimes only appearing during actual use. Both can prevent your code from working as intended, so learning to identify and resolve them is a crucial coding skill.
Why learning the difference matters.
Distinguishing between syntax and runtime errors saves time and frustration. You'll know whether to check your code structure or test how it behaves while running. Recognizing these error types also helps you communicate problems clearly with other developers and makes you a more effective programmer overall.